Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this watch. This could be useful, for example, if you want to take a swim with your watch on, or maybe take a shower with your watch on, because the water is conductive, so it will make your screen go with the haywire basically. But if you lock it, it won't do anything and you can take a shower, take a swim, or maybe sleep with your watch on and not tap on anything by mistake. Okay, so first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing Crown button. And after you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be lock screen. And you can tap on this icon, and then you will see the message that the screen is locked now. And if you try to touch the touch screen, it won't do anything, it will just display the information that the screen is locked. So you can do whatever you want and not basically mistouch the screen. And once you're done and you want to turn off the lock screen, you can simply rotate the crown until you see this message screen unlocked, and then the touch screen will work again. And that's how you lock the touch screen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.